Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can multiply times 2 the amount of coins you'll be earning each time you tap your screen on Hamster Kombat. So follow me in this video and I will show you exactly how you can increase the number of coins, the amount of coins you'll be earning each time you tap your screen. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be accessing the app through our Telegram app. So click on your Telegram app. I'm going to click it so you see it as it's going. I'm going to click my Telegram app, and once you land into your Telegram app, click on the Hamster Kombat page, which is this one here that is ticked, that says you allow this bot to message you. So click on that and the app is going to open like this. Once it opens like this, click on play, and while it's loading, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Okay, now it has loaded. As you can see, I have 13,378 coins, and if I tap my screen, I'll be earning +2. You can see +2. So what I'm earning per click or per tap is 2 coins. So I'm going to multiply this. I'm going to increase this. So let me show you how you can increase the amount of coins or the number of coins you'll be earning each time you tap your screen. So what you're going to do, you're going to like scroll up, like swipe up, right? Swipe up on the exchange. Just swipe up and it's going to show you this 100 and this 1,490 something over 1,500, and it says boost. You see the boost down here at the bottom right corner. Click on boost. Once you click on boost, it's going to show you full energy. It's going to show you multi-tap boosters. So click on here that says multi-tap 2k. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you multi-tap. Increase the amount of coins you earn per tap. Can you see that? So that's how you can increase the amount of coins you earn per tap. And as you can see, it says +1 coin for tap for level 2. So I'm in level 2 now. So what I'm going to do, it says 2,000 coins. This is how much you can do on level 2. So in my next video, I will show you how to increase, how to upgrade to the next level. But here, go and click on where it says go ahead. When I click on go ahead, it's going to increase the number of taps I'm getting. What I did now, I bought it. As you can see, before I had 13,000 coins on my account, but now I have 11 because I used 2,000 coins to buy that. So if I tap now, as you can see, it has increased to 1 more coin per tap. As you can see, it's increasing. It's now 3 coins per tap. So if you continue tapping, you'll be continue increasing by your earnings by 33 coins. So let me increase it once again to see how this works. So swipe again one more time and click on boost. Click on multi-tap once again, and this time now you're using 4,000 coins to buy to level 3. So I'm going to click on go ahead, and 4,000 coins will be minus from my balance. As you can see, it was 11 and now it's 7,000 because I used 4,000 coins to buy it. So if I tap now, you can see it's now 4 coins per tap. So that's how to increase the amount of coins you'll be earning per tap on your screen. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell, and comment your opinion down in the description below.